Hello, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how to send gifts on Poppo Live. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live app this way. The next thing you have to do is to tap on your Poppo Live profile and make sure you buy a Poppo Live coin. So for you to be able to buy a Poppo Live coin, you just have to tap on the coin option. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on top up. Select any of the coin you want, and you're going to see there are different prices there. Just enter your credit card or your debit card in order to buy it. So after buying your coin, you just have to go out from there. Now you choose the method of sending gifts you want. If you want to send gifts through live, you just have to tap on it and select the live stream you want to make use of. Let me see, choose any of them. If I'm going with this live stream, I just have to tap on the gift option here. So tapping on the gift option, you're going to see different kind of gifts. You just have to select the particular one you want, and if you notice, at each of them they have the different coin that is required for you before you can be able to send the gift. Or if you want to send your gift through message, you just have to tap on the message icon found below the screen. That's the fourth icon below the screen. You just have to tap on it and search for the particular person you want to send your gift to and send it to that person. You can just look at the gift option, select any of them, and then you can now send your gift. You can see the gift option. But if you want to send it through a live party, you just have to tap on the second option close to live option found below the screen. You can see the option for party. So you select the particular live stream or live party you want to send the gift to, and then you can now send it to that particular person. You can see the gift option. Just tap on it and you can, so tapping on it, you can see the different amount of coin that's required of you. So you just have to select the particular one you want to, and you can now send it to that particular individual or that you wish to send it to. So guys, if this video was helpful, do not forget to give me a like, comment, share, and then hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.